The Samsung S23 Ultra comes with the latest technology and design innovations to give you the ultimate smartphone experience. It has a large 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display and is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, plus 12 GB of RAM for smooth multitasking and delivering blazing fast performance. This video sheds light on the truly perfect Samsung S23 Ultra. As far as features go, Samsung's high-end smartphones offer them all, and the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be no different. With the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra underway, there are many new features that Samsung hopes will appeal to buyers. Here's what we know about the Galaxy S23 while we await official confirmation and additional details.
Let's get started.
Design. Samsung will stay true to form with the S23 Ultra. That is, the S22-like aesthetic will be carried over to S23 Ultra to a large extent, but with some tweaks to the design. Changes will likely be more noticeable on the inside, and particularly with the big pile of cameras on the rear. Additionally, the phone is expected to include the same massive and stunning 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display, which promises a clear and detailed image for a better user experience. There is also a remote possibility that the S23 Ultra will feature an under-display selfie camera, thinner bezels, or a number of subtle but significant design tweaks that set it apart from its forerunners.
Oh, really?
We won't be seeing a radical makeover, but rather a steady iteration and improvements, the least we're sure of. For cameras, find out in the coming minutes what you should expect from Samsung in the S23 series. Cameras. When it comes to cameras, the Samsung S23 Ultra packs a triple camera system: a 12-megapixel main camera, 108-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 48-megapixel telephoto camera. This setup captures photographs in stunning detail and clarity with enhanced low-light performance. It also comes with an AI-powered night mode, which allows you to get great shots even in the dark. For video, the Samsung S23 Ultra is capable of recording 4K footage at 30 FPS and 8K video at 24 FPS. The front-facing camera, however, packs a much more impressive punch, with a resolution of 10 or 12 megapixels. And in addition, the S23 will include the same 10-megapixel telephoto lens as the S22 Ultra.
Okie dokie.
New processor. The Galaxy S23's processor is the subject of much speculation, much of which is contradictory. The earliest rumor about the phone spilled that Samsung was most likely going to implement a MediaTek chip in select Galaxy S23 devices, but it came out false. Snapdragon chipmaker Qualcomm has confirmed that the Galaxy S23 series would use Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which Qualcomm describes as an AI marvel that defines a new premium standard for connected computing. This time, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 brings considerable improvements, such as a 25% increase in overall graphical performance and a reduction in battery consumption of up to 45%. Find out in the coming minutes how this alters the phone's battery performance. 5G connectivity. The Samsung S23 Ultra is expected to come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and within this chipset is the Snapdragon X70 chip that enables lightning-fast data transfers over the internet, which the Samsung S23 Ultra will benefit greatly from. This time around, Qualcomm made a few tweaks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2's built-in 5G to enable up to 10 GB per second download and 3.5 GB per second upload speeds at full capacity.
This is incredible!
Battery life and charging. Samsung smartphones haven't always been known for their exceptional battery life, but the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which boasts one of the largest batteries available in fast charging, promises to change that. To ensure that Samsung smartphone users are able to continue using their phones longer than expected, Samsung is trying to increase the S23 Ultra's battery life by 10%. This time, imagine spending much more time going through your feeds, watching videos, or browsing the internet. According to rumors, Samsung is developing a new stacked battery that will increase density without increasing size. This means the S23 Ultra will have a battery with a capacity of at least 5,500 mAh, offering 17 hours of LTE web browsing time, 19 hours of Wi-Fi web browsing time, and 21 hours of video playback time. We won't know for sure what the Samsung Galaxy S23 battery can do until Samsung officially releases the phone. Samsung could use other approaches to improve the S23 Ultra's battery life. Many people are looking forward to the release of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and they will have high hopes for it once it arrives. Many of these will have better specs in areas like battery life, charging time, build quality, network support, and camera features. It will be a cutting-edge smartphone with a camera setting called Ultra Stabilization, which aims to produce very steady video. It'll make it easier for people to hold their devices in a gimbal-like manner. Get to know more about this exciting feature by watching our video we made on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's new camera ultra stabilization feature. Thanks for watching today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you at our next one.